That's it. Another great idea, DJ. Brilliant.
What do you want from me, Chowder? I don't see you coming up with any big ideas.
Oh, yeah? Yeah? Do you want to hear my big idea? I'm going home to make a pretzel sandwich. See ya!
Chowder, the house is still alive and you're gonna wuss out?
I risked my life for you. I stole drugs for you, and I could have died in there.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, but you're the one that killed Nevercracker in the first place.
Getting your stupid ball back?
You guys, stop fighting. You're acting like babies.
We are babies. What were we thinking? We tried to put a house to sleep with cold medicine. How lame can you get?
Where are you going?
I'm going home. I suck.